Hi everyone, Tam's here. It's time for my April garden tour. Several of you have asked for actually a walkthrough, so I'm gonna walk through part of it and highlight some new projects, and then I'm gonna just pan over with some music to show you how everything else looks here in mid-April. Big bloomers are jasmine, which you can see behind me in the arbor. Smells divine. So let me show you what's been going on the past month in the garden. All right, we're going to start with the front corner of the house, and I'm going to show you my main project I've been working on for the past month, and it's been this little vignette area. The bench was here, and the foxtail ferns were here, and a couple of little pots were here, and my rabbit was here. But I am a big fan of the Potager blog, Linda Vodder, and so I added some of the flagstone that used to be in my moon garden and some pea gravel, and I brought in some new pots. So I invested in some nice terracotta pots and some concrete pots. I actually got them marked down and on sale at Tuesday morning. And I bought myself some topiaries and petunias, and I just love how this turned out. I got 3, 1 in the ground and 2 in the pots. And yeah, that's a little vignette in the front of my house. In front of the carport is over to the side, which is a little messy. And I've got azaleas in here and hibiscus, and we'll walk a little more around. And you can see some more of the front garden, which needs to be cleaned out a little bit, but pentas are really happy. I planted those this summer and just deadheaded several of those, so they should be popping back out soon. We've got some lilies. I've got a broken water sprinkler that needs to be fixed, and some topiaries in the front of the house. Again, we had a storm last week, so I'm still cleaning up, but I also planted more hibiscus over here, and those are very happy, and those have pink bloom. And then the other thing I did this past month, so last month I showed you how I'd clipped back and put in I cleared out the pathways, and this area does need to be weeded, but I did get these lorpedlums, the purple ones in the back, established, because we are redoing this bed and it needs to be mulched and weeded really well. But what I've done in this bed is I've put in the purple lorpedlum. I have a Christmas tree palm that comes from my brother's house in South Florida, and I transplanted these variegated spider plants here. And we've got more to do, but this is my gardening on a budget. So most of this is from other parts of my yard or someone else's yard. The only thing that's new are the lorpedlum in the back. So for the rest of this month, this area will be cleaned up. And then we move back to this part of the house, and I will show you what's going on back here.